Hey YouTube family, long time no see. So today I'm here to update you on Billo and my UGC journey. A lot has transpired since July, since I first posted my very first video about Billo. With Billo, you sign up to join their app. You actually apply for jobs that they have available on the app. Very simple. Once a company or an agency that's on Billo, once they reach back out to you, they view your profile and then they will notify you if you've been accepted to do the task, is what they call the jobs. The companies that are sending you products, they will send the products to you for free. They pay for the shipping and you do the product review or whatever type of UGC that they're looking or asking for. And you get paid. Some of the tasks don't require products to be sent to you. You will do a review or you may do the task and it's for a website or for like an agency. I did one for an insurance company and for an attorney's office. They did not require me to have a product. I just followed the script, which I love the ones with the script. I just follow it the way they want it done. And then sometimes I do take jobs that don't have scripts and that allow you to be more creative. But you view the task. They have what's called a brief. You want to view it, make sure it's something that you want to do. Nothing's mandatory. Like, you don't have to choose all the jobs. You just choose the jobs that you feel are right for you. And then you go from there. So if you're accepted, great. If not, keep moving, because there are plenty of brands on there always looking for someone to shoot UGC. I had a few questions down in the comment of the other video, so I want to go ahead and address those first. Fashion Flavor asked for an update, so here we go with the update. So I've made 38 videos with Billo, 2 videos with Twirl, and 2 UGC videos outside of agencies. So some of the different types of brands that I've worked with: skincare, marketing brands, teas like detox teas, herbal teas, food and delivery meals. Love those. I love those. You know, when they come all boxed up and they're already prepared for you, or they have everything ready, all the recipes are already ready for you to just go with it. You know, just cook it. It's already measured out. Everything you need is in the box. I love those. So if you're a brand and you're looking for someone, you're looking for a UGC creator, honey, look no further. I am here. I've done shoe soles, you know, the inserts for your shoes. I've done wellness brands from probiotics to hormone supplements and sexual enhancement products, pillows, seat cushions, apparel, and jewelry. Love doing the jewelry. Just in case you're wondering how you get paid with Billo, they pay through PayPal. At girlfriend JGP 728, Grumpy Straw W Gal asked, are all the products free, or do you have to pay for the product and shipping? And the answer to your question is no, you do not have to pay for the products. The companies that are sending you products, they will send the products to you for free. They pay for the shipping and you do the product review or whatever type of UGC that they're looking or asking for. And you get paid. The next question is from Dejanoa, the YouTube channel ENG''G and Idea Hacks. And their question is, does this apply worldwide? And unfortunately, no, right now it is just for creators based in the US. Hey, are you a content creator? Then you might want to check out Billo. When you use my referral code, complete your first task, you will get an extra $10 bonus. So let's go ahead and make that extra cash, honey. Next question is from Peaches Laney. And her question is, do you have to shoot the videos on your phone? No, you do not. The videos that you shoot will need to be in either 1:1 aspect or 9:16 or 16:9, which is, well, no, let me take that back. 9:16 is like TikTok, Instagram Reels. I think they might even be, or they will format for YouTube Shorts and Pinterest, for the Pinterest stories. There's also the aspect ratio of 4:5 in, I think that's like for Facebook, and then 9:16 or 16:9, which is for YouTube. But most of the jobs that I've seen are 9:16, which is for TikTok or for Instagram Reels. Just in case you're wondering how you get paid with Billo, they pay through PayPal. Now, I've had other brands to reach out for collaborations, but most of them have been for free collaborations. And once you get paid for your work, I'm not saying anything is wrong with, you know, doing free collaborations. It's up to you. But since I've been paid to do it, like I've been paid to review products, it's kind of hard for me to accept a free product. You know, the game has changed. Like, don't just try to get over on UGC creators. I'm trying to get over on people brands. Offer them not just the product, but offer them money, because the product does not pay any bills. It doesn't pay any bills for anyone. So be kind, be generous, you know, stay within your budget of your brand. I'm not saying to go outside your budget, but hey, like offer these UGC content creators cash, offer them money so they can pay their bills. Okay. I do have a portfolio website. I will link it down below. At first, I did a Canva website, but when I was looking at other UGC creators' Canva website, it would give me like a block option. I'm not sure if it was just on my network or on my computer. I just did not want to take those chances when brands went to, or when people or brands go to look at my portfolio. So I did mine through Wix. Check it out below. I am an Amazon influencer as well. Still trying to figure that one out, but I'll keep y'all updated as well on that. I have made some money though. Hey, the sun. So yeah, if you have any other questions or you want to see me do a video on any of the other things, elaborate on the things that I've already talked about in this video, just let me know. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this video. As a matter of fact, please comment and let me know if you're a UGC content creator, digital creator. Let's talk about it. What are some things that you're loving about this journey? And some things that you're not loving about this journey, okay? Y'all hit me up in the comments below. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.